deep in the shadows.
Hi guys! Happy Saturday! So, on the way tayo ngayon sa sa Pekong Temple. So, birthday ng Pekong ngayon and magpapaypay kami doon. So, kasama ko ang aking mga biyanan. Ayan, on the way na kami and today Saturday. So, yung mga anak ko nasa swimming pool. So, doon na lang kami magkikita. It's a Jaya car. Hello, good morning. Ayaw pa niyang gumising. So, this is my lunch. Rice and fish. Kasama natin ang ating mga biyanan today. Okay, tapos na tayong kumain. So, punta naman tayo ng NTUC. Malaki dito yung hawker center dito. The fruits so cute. Gusto niya sumasakay dito. Sarap na sa kawa. Diba? This one. Yan. This one, guys. So, bili tayo ng dalawa kasi lang naman siya. $2.50. Okay. Ayun sila kuya. Pupunta naman tayo ngayon sa Pekong Temple. Hey guys, so ayan, nandito lang tayo kasi ang ingay. Sila daddy, nagpaypay na sila daddy. So kasama niya yung biyanan ko. So harap tayo ng pesto, hindi masyadong mausok. Mausok kasi dito sa may kabila. Yan, may mga upuan din dito para sa matatanda. I think the other side. Cannot go inside. I think this one is for the corn. Where's Daddy? So today guys is a Pekong birthday. See, ang dami nilang mga Did you do that over there? No, our one here. We need money, mommy. For what? For just oh. Okay. So, let's go. Tapos na tayo magpaypay. Sorry. So, let's go. Lama is there? Here. Ayan. Ice cream queue. So long. So, ayan guys. Pauwi na tayo. So, nag-bus kami pabalik kasi yung yan ako lalaki, hinatid lang kami. Nagpunta na siya sa bahay ng kapatid niya. Hi guys. So, ayan. Nandito na tayo sa bahay. Nagluluto tayo ng dinner. Dito magdi-dinner yung aking mga biyanan. Nagpe-prepare si daddy ng panggos, lagay yan sa chicken soup. White panggos.
Buhay ba?
Tapos, pinapakuluan na natin yung ating chicken. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya na to. Ito, maganda to sa kapag yung hiti ka, ganyan, maganda to sa katawan. Dry blueberries. Tapos, namiss ni Kuya yung yun, egg. Century egg. So, yan. Kakainin natin yan for dinner. So, binili natin to kanina. Itong to. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag dito. $2.50. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So, nilagay na natin yung ating berries. Yung ating blueberries. Tapos, lagyan na natin siya ng salt. Kapit mo, Daddy. Ken, Daddy. So, ayan. Ito ang ating dinner. Thank you, Daddy. Oi, Chiwa.
不喜欢。
爷爷问。
怎么这样？不然拜堂的重要。拜拜。你看我今天一个我了。哦，这贵啊，这贵。 吗？但是还是大蒸汽转包我是不听来的。
礼拜天還是我們今日發錢，咪又爸嚟揾翻喺窿兜錢。
我这样回在家里是比较。
我最多，哎，
拿装没啊？
不是 you cannot drink anything until you never eat. You must eat a
你
bit.
最好知道。我说不会有这种不套的。
Jaden, you must eat a bit.
没，
Eat a bit. If you cannot finish, you must.
What's that smell? Oh my god.
You have
You the soup and chicken.
对，这边汤比较好用。
You want to sit down here?
What is the egg can
Dapat this one the chicken ah. Agak.
Huh?
How come the egg can see?
Oh, that's century.
Century egg.
Century egg.
Century egg, you know what the meaning of century egg? 100 years egg. So 100 years in the moment, Papa put in the soup. Then your eyes will be open.
Aja.
Okay?
我给同学的，那些两个工作。
它的汤没有了，我觉得那天的汤比较喝。
那個湯比較香啊。
那个汤比较香，这个汤只是有点味道。
Have you go down walk a bit?
Actually, this one more taste better.
Have you go down walk a bit? We're still fine.
我有个不忘，
真的。
我往里面，我
No, you just eat.
还有那个豆腐皮啊，那没有啊，这个那个萝卜嘞，还有那很少嘞。哦，OK 了，汤 OK 了。有白菜的这个，
他的火腿子的女儿子
那个你对啊，
沒有。
我老能治了，那好。我放掉。那紅包，兩個紅包可以一輪。
爺爺紅包。
你说哪一个？
妹妹 put the 紅包 inside. Huh? Put 爺爺. No more. No more.
你再放我一点红包。
是吧？前面都可以。
Very slow.
I boil very long and very soft very nice.
哦，这个炒吧。
Hey, you must eat some meat, then you have the protein.
Told you already. If you don't eat properly,
Your muscle won't build. I take
Why if
out.
I eat the...
We share half. I told you, we share half.
I'm just gonna do that one. I love that. It's one of my favorites.
你准备不给不要不要？
爺爺咪你過嚟食。
云花谢了春红，太匆匆，无奈潮来寒雨晚来风。胭脂泪，相留醉，几时重？此时人生长恨水长东。红尘故事如烟，难觅从容。曲终人未散，心难重。花开花落总如梦，悔恨长风吹不尽。天地之间，若只如初见。时光荏苒，眉目依旧。
不过，啊？
Quickly, Nanay, wash already. Ay, naku.
煮东西了嘞。
Laman, they need to learn how
已经
to.
吃了嘞，都洗完了。
Daddy, are you playing mahjong with me?
Oo. That's what
Although that's
洗不干净，不要一直洗到干净为止。洗不干净不要给它洗。
Daddy, can I watch? Daddy, can I watch? Daddy, can I watch? Can I watch how you play?
教育不一样那我洗不干净还给你骂了，洗了这。
Stop playing, Bubbles.
我孙子比较有潜力啊。
Yeah. You need to be quick, then they can play. If you slow, they cannot play.
The bone also broke. You want the chicken? I think you don't like the big cheese on chicken, right?
Ayun na, Petra, off man.
Ah, yeah.
Ay, scanning something eh.
Yes.
So, ayan, umuwi na yung aking mga biyanan. And dito ko na lang i-end ang aking video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel para updated kayo sa mga video na aking i-upload. And always stay safe and see you next time. Bye!